In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your battery hold down on your Ford Taurus. It's located under the hood near your battery. Okay, we're going to use an 8mm socket and an extension, and we're going to loosen our hold down bolt. Reach down there, and you take the hold down out. All right, so now we're going to put our hold down in. Make sure that the step side is facing the battery, because it's going to lock on to the step of the battery. That's how it holds it down. Just find the hole. After you hand tighten that, you can tighten it down with an 8mm socket. Now you want to make sure the battery doesn't move. Ours doesn't, so we're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.